Hello guys, today I am going to introduce my friends and their cycles. Okay, so we can start. Gaming bar video will be coming. Oh, this is my cycle. I am going to ride in this cycle.
My name is Arrow. This is my cycle. My name is Neera. This is my cycle.
My name is Harry. This is my cycle.
We are going to ride the cycle. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
So guys, I am taking my cycle. This is my cycle. So we are going that way.
We are going to ride the cycle. We are going to ride the cycle.
Hello guys, today we are going to ride our cycles.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
We can ride the cycle.
Going to ride the cycles.
Hi.
Hello.
So guys, this is my friends. One friend and two friends are missing. No, three friends are missing. So they will be added in another video of our anime showcase. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay.
We are only four.
Drawing YouTube video. We will publish more. Oh, so sorry guys, because I was busy. That's why I can't publish the upload the video of gaming fruits. Okay. So don't think we are copying my friends' videos. Please don't think that. Don't put us copyright, please. Going back to home.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is our area. Yes, no.
Yes. Yo.
Yo.
Hello. My cycle is almost bigger than everyone. Oh, here is the muddy area.
Cycle is bigger than all cycles.
എടാ കാശിന്റെ സൈക്കിൾ എന്നെക്കാട്ടും എന്റെ സെയിം ആടാ. ആ ഒരു ഇത്തിരിയല്ലേ, എന്നായാലും കളറും എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു വ്യത്യാസമുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, കം ഹോം പ്ലീസ്. ഓക്കെ, ലൈക്ക് ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്.
Like, share and subscribe.